It was.
Yeah, let's say I'm a legend. Look, 17 years, nobody haven't done it, so with such amazing players. Yeah, today's the day. Probably I would say today I'm a legend of this club, so yeah, let's enjoy, let's celebrate. Wow, feeling amazing. That's what I always dream for, and today is the day that happened. Dream come really, really true, so yeah, what can I say? I'm so happy. Happy is the man in the world. Back in the day, when you look at the whole season, there will be always some situation you're having tough times. So, but we as a player, we always stuck together with the injuries, with the young players. They always step up, and I always give them some good advice. You know, I always want to talk to positive, and I think I'm very lucky that having such an amazing group of players with me, and that's why I think it was the tournaments happened. Yeah, I felt the pressure as well. So I want it so badly. Look, last 7 days I was dreaming about this game every single day. There was the same picture, same dreaming. So yeah, finally happened. I can sleep with now easy, nice sleep, and I can enjoy it. Well, probably we're gonna miss the flight tomorrow. No, we hope not, but we hope not. We try. So yeah, look, today's the day we can celebrate whatever they want. So let's just make the day they will never forget. And maybe I miss the flight. It will be great. Bring a trophy back home and in front of our fans. Show our trophy. It will be amazing. So yeah. Very proud to be Korean, win the trophy, and I just want to say thank you to the Korean fans that it was 4 a.m. and they're supporting me like crazy, like a family, and yeah, here's the trophy and here's the biggest smile. Look, there's different trophies, but we both had an unbelievable friendship, partnership as a player, so I was so happy that he won the first trophy, and also I spoke to another media, but Harry, we won it as well. Yeah, it will be great. The Champions League is always you wanna play against the best team in the world, so yeah, we might play against Harry, so we never know, but we'll be grateful playing against each other again.